thing I love about ProCheck is it offers us an independent check. That's the key for me. It's independent, not a sales technique for us. Hi there, I'm Matt. I've been a heating engineer for about 25 years. Company's Reheat, based in southwest London. We've been using ADEY products now for probably getting on for 20 years, since the very first MagnaClean was actually built and developed. There's a couple of things about it. The simplicity, I've seen over the years it develop and evolve and improve. The new products, 10-year guarantee, so there's reliability there. But for me, the biggest thing over all of the other filters around is the actual quality of the magnets in them, how much debris comes out. And of course, it's brilliant because you can take it out, show the customer, this is what's going on. And as a result of that, you can then say to the customer, well, look, you really need a power flush in order to clean this off. So not only does it protect the system, but it also generates more work for us as a business. MagnaCleanse offers you a really simple, quick way of flushing a system. Advantages over a traditional power flushing machine with a big pump and everything is that you can use it in systems where if you're not sure about the quality of the fittings, age of the radiators, you're not putting it under any more pressure than it already is. So it offers us a niche bit of our flushing market, because obviously we do power flush still if it's needed, but the MagnaCleanse offers us a quick option which is nice and safe. It's really quite simple. You are protecting your boiler and components from contamination in the system. Obviously, most people don't understand. They say it's sludge, but it's actually a chemical reaction between the steel and the copper. So every system that's got a radiator and copper needs a filter, because even with inhibitors, they will only work probably 80–90% efficient. You'll always have debris going in. And even when you power flush, you can't sandblast it. You're going to have some residue contaminants in the system, so you have to have that filter. And also, it's a brilliant way each year when the boiler's serviced, take that filter out, and it's a visual check of the quality of the water in your system. And obviously then you can put more inhibitor in if it's required. And then again, using the ProCheck, you know the quality of the system, and you can sort of go from there. It's our job as engineers to be the professional people, to explain to them why this stuff is happening in your system and how to prevent it. The thing I love about ProCheck is it offers us an independent check. So it's not us saying, oh, you must do this so we can generate more work. It's just saying, here, look, this is what the report has shown us. This is what it's saying that we need to do to keep your system working efficiently and long term. That's the key for me. It's independent, not a sales technique for us.